Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to forward a group message on WhatsApp Web using your PC with the new update. This feature is incredibly useful for sharing important information or funny moments with friends and family. Let's dive right in and explore how you can do this seamlessly. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC by navigating to web.whatsapp.com and scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats listed on the screen. Now, enter the group where the message you want to forward is located. You can easily find it by scrolling through your chat history or using the search bar at the top. Next, locate the specific message you wish to forward. Hover your mouse over it and you'll notice a menu icon appearing on the right side. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options provided, select Forward. This will prompt you to proceed with the forwarding process. After choosing to forward the message, you'll see a forwarding icon, which looks like a paper airplane. Click on this icon to continue. Now, you'll be presented with a list of your chats. Take your time to choose the contacts or groups you want to forward the message to. You can even search for specific contacts using the search box. Once you've selected the recipients, all that's left to do is click on the Send button. And just like that, your message has been forwarded. This feature is not only convenient, but also saves you a lot of time when sharing information across multiple chats. Remember, when you forward a message, it will be labeled as forwarded to indicate that it wasn't originally sent by you. This helps maintain transparency and clarity in your conversations. By mastering this technique, you can easily share important group messages with others, whether it's a crucial update or a funny meme. WhatsApp Web's new update makes it easier than ever to manage your communications from the comfort of your PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips on using WhatsApp Web efficiently.